With its latest cordless tool system, Bosch has gone where no man has gone before, to a totally new dimension in cordless power tools. Experience the new 36-volt lithium-ion tool system from Bosch, providing a performance level known so far only to corded tools. One of the first tools to come equipped with this revolutionary 36-volt lithium-ion battery is the new cordless rotary hammer Gbh36V. Once unleashed, it tackles even drill diameters up to 26 millimeters, thanks to the enormous power of the new pneumatic impact mechanism. It's so powerful, it even matches the drilling performance of the strongest corded 2-kilogram rotary hammer. The Gbh36V provides up to 40% higher drilling progress than traditional 24-volt models. Yet thanks to the lithium-ion technology, it's still handy and compact. 36-volt lithium-ion, as powerful as corded tools. A new dimension in endurance and power has also been established by the new cordless drill driver generation Gsb and Gsr36V. Both tools are designed for truly heavy-duty applications, delivering up to 80 Newton meters, a significantly increased runtime, yet no additional weight compared to conventional 24-volt models. Performing at a constant speed throughout the entire application gives the user a speed advantage of up to 30% over current 24-volt models. The new Gsb and Gsr36V, power and endurance to the ends of the earth. The new 36-volt lithium-ion tool system offers more than just unmatched power at a comfortable weight. You can check the charge status of the battery via the integrated charge indicator. And you can recharge the battery whatever the charge status without harming the cells, because they have no memory effect. During usage, batteries often get too hot to be recharged immediately. Therefore, air is forced through the battery once it's inserted into the charger, cooling it down from the inside. The innovative heat-conductive housing lets the heat escape to the outside a lot easier, allowing the battery to cool down up to 40% faster than conventional batteries. A new dimension. 36-volt lithium-ion, as powerful as corded tools. Bosch, invented for life.